Hello everyone, welcome to the garden. Today I'm going to take you on a tour of our front yard, which is wilder than ever. We have had the big heat wave twice. So far it's midsummer, can happen again. And it did impact the naturalizing yards, impact everything. Also the double snowfall of spring. It's been crazy, and our yard is doing great. Our pollinators are happy. The wildflowers are happy. They do well under extreme conditions and are very sturdy. And so I'm convinced this is the way forward to work with nature. Yes, of course. It's been many years that we have mowed our side lawn in stripes of wild meadow and neatly mowed grass cycling, eco-turf in between stripes. And I should make a separate video on our spontaneously generated or evolved eco-turf. There is a science or just an instinct about it that really works. Everything is nice and beautiful, and then something happened last year when the meadow stripes were at its most beautiful and attracting and keeping a lot of pollinators, as well as feeding our neighborhood. Rabbits, we have a lot of them, they were all happy, and it was cut down to the ground overnight. I mean the meadow, yeah. So we learned a lesson. Our neighbors are extremely helpful in cutting the grass, shoveling snow for each other. And so this is part of the culture in all good faith. And so we need to be more clear, not only when we are talking about, then we are clear, but and there's a lot of support. But what about when we are not there? And the garden needs to present itself. How are we going to do that? This is an opportunity to showcase the benefits of such project to our gardens in the neighborhood, all of our gardens. We all need and enjoy the pollinators, be if our gardens are mainly flowers or if we have fruit trees, which we all have, fruit trees and vegetable gardens and so on. We all need and talk about having more pollinators, and then how we're going to do that, how we are going towards it. So this year, I have designed a more intentional pattern because I think the side yards, it's a large area of turf, lifeless lawn, is not doing anything for our pollinators. So it's very important. There's a lot of pollinators feeding, wildlife feeding on the side yards. So we need that in the garden. A more intentional pattern helps people understand what's going on. And so I also included some semi-open fencing and a design of triangles, asymmetrical, instead of those simple stripes, with clear delimitations of the side yard border as well as each meadow area within it. And I also incorporated informative posters on the naturalization aspects of the meadow grass. And that was successful so far. No, it is. It is great. It's been great. So I'm going to show you how I did that. Should I shoot this magpie? Sean! Sean! That goes in. Okay. So this is very successful so far, and I'm very happy with all of that. Fantastic. These posters are courtesy of our friends Vivi and Manfred, who have put them together for their yard, and we are happy to have them because they share this with us. And I'll leave a link to the video when I visit their garden in the description box down below. So to put these posters up, we have like a window of opportunity because nature reacts really fast here in Edmonton. We have that winter, and the spring is getting crazier by the year, and then boom, everything is up, and the grass is up, the meadow is up, and the lawnmowers are up too. So we need to do our design, put out the limitations before it's too late and people help us to a nice lawn. These posters have been great to present the garden, and we can see passers-by and neighbors checking them out. A very positive attitude talking about them. Children especially have been actively creating artwork and supporting these naturalizing initiatives here and also around the neighborhood as the City of Edmonton embraces this practice as well. And I'm very happy to find tokens of appreciation affixed to the lamppost over there. That's so nice. A big thank you. And here it is, the Wild Frontyard 2021. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Leave a like, a comment. I love to answer the comments. Subscribe for more videos. Stay well, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao!